It would be an interesting one. We cannot hide, nor will I hide. You've got to confront negative situations, that the long-term market is moving at a very fast pace. When I set the business up, we were making clients 30, 40, 50% more than what they could have done on long term, and consistently did that for the last 3.5 years. It's only in the last year that the Dubai economy in general has progressed astronomically, fastest in the world. Housing prices and how much they've gone up, is that the long-term rents have done the same. So these magnificent higher level returns you could have achieved have been tightened up. Now, this isn't a problem. Glass is always half full at AirDXB, not half empty. As I explained to many of our clients, is that means that there's a shift. There's a lot of short-term rental landlords that are now moving to long-term. Well, that's okay, because all that's going to do is reduce the numbers of short-term rental properties. And what does that mean? It means the prices per night for those short-term rental properties are only going to go one way, and that is up. So as I've explained to clients, just hold off. I know that there's going to be, some checks being dangled and people saying that this is what we can get you. Sit tight and see what happens. And what's very interesting is we've seen 6 properties, bear in mind we're in August at present, 6 properties that have received record rates per night that I've ever seen, and these properties have been on our books for 3-4 years. So is this something, is this a tremor to show that this market is going to continue to grow? I hope so, because it's a supply and demand scenario. Now, that's happening now. Where are we going to be in 4, 5, 6 years' time? We look at Emirates like Ras Al Khaimah, who are now working with a very popular casino hall out in Las Vegas, who are now opening. There's a lot of conversation about gaming licenses. Will this move into different Emirates? Who knows? I don't know. But if something like that comes to Dubai, then that is going to add a significant value to guests wanting to come to Dubai, and I believe you'll find there will be a lot more guests coming to Dubai, which will then of course push that market up. It all depends on how Dubai grows and what direction it goes in, or the UAE goes in, as to how this market will go. I believe that the market itself will continue to grow, but at what pace I don't know, because it all depends on what the long-term market will be. Now, today, we are scanning the market. We're talking to several different companies, authorities, whatever the case may be. And our general feeling is that in fact stock levels are dropping in Dubai for short lets. We don't have data to back that up. I need to make that perfectly clear. This is just different situations, different companies, as I said, different authorities we're talking to, who are explaining that it seems to be dropping, which is, again, as I said, is a great thing. And in fact, AirDXB is still growing as a company within this. So it's both testament to what we're doing and how we are doing that right. But we'll have to see where we are in 5 years.